Did you know over 75% of drivers admit to regularly letting their gas tank drop below a quarter full? It might feel harmless, but what most drivers don't realize is that this simple habit can silently damage your fuel system, wreck your engine, and even leave you stranded when you need your car the most. In this video, we're revealing exactly why running your car near empty is one of the worst things you can do. And, trust me, the reasons are more serious than you think. From costly repairs to unexpected emergencies, you'll want to stick around until the end. Because what you don't know about your fuel tank could end up costing you hundreds or even thousands. Let's get into it. Reason number 1. Protects your fuel pump. Your fuel pump is one of the most critical components of your car's fuel system. It relies on gasoline not just for operation, but also for cooling. When your fuel level drops below a quarter tank, the pump is no longer fully submerged, which can cause it to overheat. Heat is the enemy of electrical components, and over time, this exposure accelerates wear and tear. If the pump fails, your car won't start or will run poorly. Replacing a modern fuel pump can cost anywhere from $400 to over $1,000, depending on the make and model. Reason number 2. Prevents sediment from entering the engine. Over the years, all fuel tanks accumulate dirt, rust, and other debris that settle at the bottom. When your gas level runs low, your fuel pump begins pulling gasoline from the very bottom of the tank, right where all this gunk collects. This means more contaminants are likely to be sucked into your fuel lines. While your fuel filter is designed to catch some of it, but overloading it can cause blockages or even allow debris to pass through. This debris can then clog your fuel injectors or damage engine components, reducing performance and fuel efficiency. A simple way to prevent this is by keeping the fuel level high enough to avoid the bottom sludge. Reason number 3. Avoids fuel line freezing in cold weather. In cold climates, moisture can condense inside the empty airspace of your gas tank, especially when it's less than a quarter full. This water can drip into the fuel, and when temperatures drop, that moisture can freeze. Frozen fuel lines prevent gasoline from reaching your engine, which can lead to hard starts or the engine not starting at all. A fuller tank reduces airspace, minimizing condensation and lowering the risk of ice in the fuel lines. It's a particularly important precaution for drivers in snowy or icy regions. Keeping your tank fuller is like winter-proofing your car without any extra cost. Reason number 4. Helps you stay prepared for emergencies. No one plans to run into traffic jams, road closures, natural disasters, or unexpected detours, but they happen more often than we think. If you're running close to empty and an emergency occurs, you could find yourself stranded with no way to get to safety. This is especially dangerous in remote areas, on long trips, or at night when gas stations might be closed. Keeping your tank at quarter mark gives you a reserve of at least 50 to 100 miles, depending on your vehicle. That buffer could make the difference between making it to help or being stuck in a risky situation. Reason number 5. Improves fuel pump efficiency. The fuel pump doesn't just deliver gas. It has to maintain a consistent pressure in the fuel line. When the tank is low, the pump can suck in air, especially during sharp turns, braking, or driving up hills. Air in the fuel line causes inconsistent fuel delivery, which the engine interprets as hesitation or jerking. Your engine might also stutter, stall, or feel underpowered due to these irregularities. Keeping a fuller tank ensures the pump operates smoothly and maintains steady pressure. That's all for this video. Letting your tank drop below 1/4 might seem harmless, but it's a gamble, and one that could cost you big in the long run. So the next time you see that needle getting close to a quarter, don't wait. Fuel up and drive with confidence. See you in the next video.